Welcome to our first video on Live Rich channel. In this video we will explain the difference between passive income and side hustles. Passive income and side hustles can be great ways to generate you extra cash flow. But the difference is quite huge. Passive income basically requires no to minimal work to generate, while side hustles includes continuous work. Passive income is not your job, a second job, nor non-income generating assets, like stocks not producing dividends or cryptocurrencies. People are confusing passive income with side hustles, as they both count as extra income, but as we said, they are actually quite different. So what are examples of side hustles? Number 1. Selling a product on Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest online retail websites in the world. With over $178 billion in sales volume, Amazon has made it possible for everyone to make money by selling their products. You can always start with a small inventory and grow your business as you go. The first step is to find a product that you want to sell. There are many factors you should consider before deciding on a product, such as how competitive the market is, how much profit you can make, and how easily you can find suppliers. In order to succeed at selling products on Amazon, there are 4 main things that need to be done. Research your competition and create an attractive listing with accurate descriptions and high-quality photos. Get reviews from customers. Offer competitive pricing. And maintain a good reputation by responding quickly to customer complaints or questions. Number 2. Becoming an online coach. There is a lot of demand for experts in the digital world. You can start by having a small course and offer your customers online coaching and mentoring. You will be able to provide them with the knowledge that they need for a specific topic or skill. Online coaching is an excellent way to earn money from the comfort of your home. You can work with people who are interested in learning about a specific topic or skill, such as yoga, mindfulness, or public speaking. Number 3. Starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. You can make a living off of your videos if you monetize them correctly. There are various ways to make money off of your YouTube channel. The first way is by advertising on your videos and getting paid every time somebody clicks on that ad. Another way is by doing collaborations with other influencers or companies. You could also do sponsored content, where you're paid to mention a product or service in one of your videos, and then create a video review of it afterwards. The most important thing is to find the right niche that you love and can be passionate about. We are done now with the side hustle section. What about passive income? Number 1. Rental income. Rental properties are a great way to invest in real estate. They can provide passive income and appreciation. The main reason why people invest in rental properties is the passive income they generate. This is because the property owner does not have to do any work on the property to receive their monthly payments. The second reason why many people choose rental properties is that they offer cash flow. This means that the property owner will be able to pay off their mortgage with ease because of all the money they receive from monthly tenants. Lastly, many people invest in rental properties for the potential of long-term appreciation. The value of a property will generally increase over time as long as it is well maintained. Number 2. Dividend stocks. A dividend stock is a stock that pays out a portion of its earnings in the form of a dividend. Dividends are often paid once per year or on quarter basis. Dividend stocks are often considered to be the best type of investment because they provide a steady stream of income and have low barriers to entry. Number 3. High-interest saving accounts. Choosing the right high-interest savings account can be difficult. There are so many options to choose from and they all have their own pros and cons. However, by paying attention to the details, you can find a high-interest savings account that is perfect for you. We should avoid accounts that have a low APY or require a minimum balance to earn interest. These types of accounts will not offer enough interest for your investment and require too much work on your end. So which type of income is better for me? Is it a side hustle or a source of passive income? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more on how to live rich, subscribe to our channel to get more content like this. Think different. Think like rich.